We had started with light reactions, that is the photochemical phase, which consists of following events, that is absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll, splitting of water, that is photolysis of water, breakdown of water molecule into hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions upon absorbing sunlight, release of oxygen, and production of ATP and NADPH, which are the energy rich compounds. Now we will discuss today the formation of ATP and NADPH. We have done that in pigment systems, in photosystems or pigment system, photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, which are the light trapping system, means they absorb solar energy and convert it into the chemical energy. So these light absorbing systems, they are called light trapping centers, or these are also called photosystems. The photosystem 1 and photosystem 2, they are also called light trapping centers because they trap the sunlight. In these photosystems, there is a reaction center or the trap center which is called the photocenter. दोनों photosystems में क्या होता है? There is a light trapping center which is called the photocenter, or it is called the reaction center. This reaction center is either P700 molecule or it can be P680. Means P680 और 700 क्या represent करते हैं? Wavelength of sunlight. It is also associated with several hundreds of other light gathering pigments, and these light gathering pigments, ये वाले जो हैं, these can be of chlorophyll or carotenoids, carotenes or xanthophyll. These are the accessory pigments, and they are called harvesting molecules. Why they are called harvesting molecules? Because they absorb the solar radiation, that is they absorb the photons of sunlight, and they transfer this absorbed solar energy ultimately to the reaction center. जो भी solar energy को ये absorb करते हैं, that solar energy is transferred to this reaction center. Now these harvesting molecules, they harvest solar energy and pass it to the reaction center. Because energy captured by the photocenter or the reaction center, it is not sufficient to start the chemical reaction. So the chlorophyll and the accessory pigments, they help the reaction center to catch in capturing sunlight and converge it into the reaction center. Finally, this reaction center, it performs the photochemical reactions. कैसे? The solar energy इसको मिलेगी when it will absorb solar radiations, it will go to excited state. ये chlorophyll molecule जो है, it will release one electron, और ये इलेक्ट्रॉन जब चला जाएगा तो ये क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल क्या हो जाएगा? इट विल गो टू द एक्साइटेड स्टेट. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन, इसको स्टेबल होने के लिए क्या चाहिए? ये इलेक्ट्रॉन वापस अगर इस रिएक्शन सेंटर वाले क्लोरोफिल मॉलिक्यूल को मिल जाए तो ये स्टेबल हो जाएगा. नाउ दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन does not come back directly to this reaction center, but it comes through a series of compounds. Now this electron will return back to this reaction center molecule, not directly, सीधा ऐसे ही नहीं आ जाएगा, but through a series of compound. Means this electron will be transferred to one compound, then another compound, then another, then another. So this electron is transferred back to this reaction center through a series of compounds. What is the purpose of that stepwise transfer? कि उस stepwise transfer में the production of energy rich compounds ATP and NADP takes place. Now this process of conversion of solar energy or conversion of light energy into the chemical energy in the form of ATP. This process is called phosphorylation, and this phosphorylation is of two types: cyclic photophosphorylation and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Let us discuss them one by one.